State versus Dominic Swingle, 17-5, aggravated assault, 3 counts, I guess, in criminal mischief. Yes, sir, I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you. And let's see. It's like he's appearing for an arraignment. How does he do?
Judge, we enter a plea of not guilty at this time. We'd like to be heard on bond.
All right, we'll enter the plea of not guilty. Set a pre-trial hearing for April 13th at 10 o'clock. And what do you want to say about bond?
Judge, we'd like to request a $1,500 cash or surety bond in this case. Upon review of his criminal history, it looks like he has not been convicted of any prior felonies. He does have some misdemeanors, apparently. But he's lived here for a year, and we would understand, of course, any requirements that he not drink or possess alcohol or have any contact with these individuals that are complaining in this case. But we would request a reduction to that $1,500 amount to reassure his appearance before this court.
You know, I'm not opposed to that, but prior to this gentleman being released on a bond of that nature, I would want those, I don't have in my possession the police report. I would like the name of approximately the 5 individuals and the address where this gentleman cannot be.
May be released on a $1,500 bond. No use of alcohol or contact with the alleged victims. The release won't take place until there's a order signed by the court which sets out who the victims are, alleged victims.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. State versus Jerell Adams, CR 17-3. Battery, carriage to threaten resisting arrest, obstructing governmental operation, intoxication, felony, and disorderly conduct. You have a lawyer, sir?
My dad was working on obtaining one. I'm not sure if he's done that yet or not.
All right. I'm sorry.
I did talk to him this morning, and he said his dad had contacted Mr. Davis.
Okay. All right. You understand the charges against you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Are you in a plea of not guilty to these charges?
Yes.
We'll enter the plea of not guilty. Schedule for you to reappear on January 12th at 10 o'clock.
All right.
If you decide you can't hire a lawyer or you're going to hire a lawyer, make application to the Public Defender's Office. We'll try to get you here before that.
Yes, sir. Is there any way we could maybe get a bond reduction?
Well, I don't know. I'm not sure what your bond set at. Let me look here.
$25,000. Your Honor, in addition, this gentleman has a petition to revoke a suspended sentence that was filed on January the 4th.
Okay.
I don't want him to post bond before that.
Sir,
Sure.
I'm going to leave the bond where it's at, and if you get a lawyer, then the lawyer can approach the matter as soon as possible, or address the prosecutor's office and my office about it. And if you have to use the public defender or get to use the public defender, then they can do the same.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. State versus Jason Collins, 17-2. Controlled substances, paraphernalia.
If there's any way possible, I'd like to get this matter handled today.
Just a minute. Hey, sir, I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you. Looks like you're appearing for an arraignment. How does he plead?
Judge, we plead not guilty on his behalf. It looks like there's probably a probation violation coming if it hasn't been filed yet.
I think it's parole.
Are you on probation, sir?
No, sir.
He's on parole.
Parole.
Parole?
I'm not on parole either.
Not on parole or probation. I tell you what, either one of those would prevent, or make it difficult to resolve the matter today. I'm gonna let your attorney.
I've never been convicted of anything, so.
I'm happy to hear that. I'm gonna let your attorney look into this and the prosecutor, and if it can be resolved on this, we'll attempt to do it.
Judge, if I could.
I wouldn't mention your cases before another judges.
Yes, sir. If I could, since we are here today, and it is a $5,000 bond, if there is no previous conviction, I believe that a $1,000 bond would be more appropriate. And if there's no
You know,
hold
I would-
coming,
First, can you ask this gentleman his date of birth?
What is your date of birth?
12/3/84.
I have a criminal history on a man with that birthday, that's probably in excess of a 2.
Okay, well, they need
I'm
to
not
look
even, I'm not even a resident of Arkansas,
All
so.
right, all right. So they need to look into this. I assume you're telling me the truth, but occasionally people don't. So that's
Was he
why
ever
we
been
need to look
convicted?
into it, okay?
we'll look into it.
All right, that's all we can do right now.